Another question, and this here is dealing with addition, scalar multiplication, and equality of matrices. So we have this question here: find the values of x and y if 2 times matrix x 7 9 y minus 5 plus 6 minus 7 4 5 is equal to 10 7 22 and 15. This question had appeared in the ICSE 2018 board exam. Um, let's start with the question. The first step would always be to perform the scalar multiplication wherever applicable. That's applicable in the first matrix here. So let's perform that. 2 into x will just make it 2x. Let's maintain the color combination here. Then we have 7. 2 into 7 would make it 14. 2 into 9 will make it 18. And 2 into y minus 5. 2 into y will make it 2y. Let's see what colors. 2y minus 5 into 2 will make it 10. Right. So first we perform the scalar multiplication, and now the second matrix, which is over here, 6 minus 7, 4 and 5, and all of this is equal to 10, 7, 22 and 15. Right. Next step, we will perform the matrix addition in the left hand side. So remember, matrix addition is going to be performed element wise. So if I am to add these two matrices on my left hand side, I have 2x, let's keep this color with that, 2x plus 6 and we have 14 plus minus 7, so we have 14 plus negative 7, 18 plus 4, 18 plus 4, and here we have 2y, so let's do y minus 10, 2y minus 10, and then plus 5. So this is the entire left hand side matrix, equal to 10, 7, 22, 15. Alright, now moving on, let's just calculate our values over here. So as you can see, we have 2x plus 6, that will remain as it is. There's nothing much we can do to that point there. So we have 2x plus 6. Here we have 14 plus minus 7, which will make it 14 minus 7, that is 7. 18 plus 4, which is 22. And here we have 2y minus 10 plus 5, so that makes it 2y minus 10 plus 5 is nothing but minus 5. Right, this is equal to 10, 7, 22 and 15. Right, now if you guys remember when we were discussing the equality of matrices, the two matrices are said to be equal, one if they are of the same order and their corresponding elements are equal. So here, as you can notice, the first row first column element, which is 2x minus 6, should be equal to 10. Solving that equation will give us the value for x, and if I consider 2y minus 5 equal to 15, solving that equation I get the value for y, and as you can see, 7 here is equal to 7 here, and 22 here is equal to 22 here, so that matches anyways. So let's solve for x first. We have 2 times x plus 6 is equal to 10. If I rearrange this equation, the plus 6 on the other side makes it minus 6, so 10 minus 6 makes it 4, so I have 2 times of x equal to 4. Before the 2 here, division, take it to the other side, becomes multiplication, to take it to the other side becomes division, so I have x equal to 4 by 2, which is 2. So I have the value for x over here. Now let's try to find the value for y. Oh wow, that's right. Let's try to find the value for y. For that we will use the equation 2y minus 5 is equal to 15, right? So I have minus 5 on this side, take it to the other side, becomes plus 5. So I'll get this as 2y is equal to 15 plus 5, which is 20. I have a 2 multiplication here, take it to the other side, becomes division. So it becomes y is equal to 20 upon 2, which is 10. So this here is the value for y. And so if I had to write my final answer, I could say x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 10. This here is my final answer. Let's just draw a rectangle around that. Yep, this here is my final answer.